Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how to replace the engine air filters and cabin filters using my Audi A6 C5 as an example. Typically, the air filter is changed when the engine oil is being replaced. By the way, I demonstrated how to drain the old oil from the engine in my previous video, so I recommend checking it out. I bought the Knetch air filter, and let's start by removing the plastic cover and air ducts to access the housing where the filter is located. Next, we divert the backflow valve of the absorber, disconnect the connectors from the MAF sensor and valve. After that, we can move the wires aside so they don't get in the way. Then we unclip the 4 clips around the perimeter of the air filter housing and remember to remove the duct of the secondary air system from the housing. After all the manipulations, the cover of the housing can be lifted, creating space to remove the old filter and place the new one. I replaced the filter, and here's how the old one looks after 6,000 miles. The cabin filter is located in the engine compartment under a large plastic cover. I purchased a Filtron filter as the new filtering element. Let's start by removing the rubber seal, and then we pull out the plastic cover. The filter is not secured and can be easily lifted out. Next, we unpack the new filter and, most importantly, position it so that the airflow from the outside enters the cabin. You can use the instructions for convenience. Once the filter is installed, we assemble everything in reverse order. As you can see, there is nothing difficult about replacing the engine and cabin air filters yourself. See you soon in the next videos. Take care!